What color is the hottest flame? Blue. Hotter flame equals bluer color. Fire needs oxygen, heat, and fuel. No fuel, no fire. What gas does incomplete burning make? Carbon monoxide. Deadly invisible gas from incomplete combustion. What is fire's chemical process called? Combustion. Combustion equals fuel plus oxygen plus heat reacting together. Which state of matter burns fastest? Gas. Gas mixes freely with oxygen, so it ignites quickest. What does water do to a fire? Cools it below ignition point. No heat equals no combustion. What is left after something fully burns? Ash. Ash is the leftover mineral residue after burning. Complete burning of carbon produces? Carbon dioxide. Full combustion equals CO2 plus water. What is combustion's energy type? Exothermic. Exothermic means energy is released as heat and light. What is the fuel in a candle? Wax. Melting wax is the fuel that feeds the flame. What is the lowest temperature a liquid ignites called? Flash point. Below the flash point, no ignition is possible. Removing oxygen from fire does what? Puts it out. No oxygen equals combustion stops instantly. Black smoke means? Incomplete combustion. Not enough oxygen equals black smoky carbon particles. What is the fire triangle's fourth element called? Chain reaction. Fire tetrahedron adds chemical chain reaction to the triangle. Blowing gently on fire makes it bigger because? It adds oxygen. More oxygen equals faster combustion. What metal burns with a bright white flame? Magnesium. Magnesium reacts violently with oxygen, releasing blinding white light. When a whole room ignites at once, it is called? Flashover. All surfaces hit ignition temperature simultaneously. Oxygen rushing into a smoldering fire causes? Backdraft. Sudden oxygen equals explosive burst of flames. What is it called when material ignites with no external flame? Spontaneous combustion. Material heats itself until it reaches ignition temperature. Why is fire visible to us? Hot gases release light energy. Excited gas molecules emit visible light as they cool. What temperature makes a material ignite alone? Auto-ignition temperature. No spark needed, heat alone causes ignition. What does CO2 extinguisher do to fire? Displaces oxygen. No oxygen around the flame equals fire suffocates. Which does not burn easily? Steel. Steel's extremely high melting point makes it fire resistant. Fire produces which two types of energy? Heat and light. Combustion converts chemical energy into heat and light. What is the coolest colored flame? Red. Red flames burn at the lowest temperatures. What does fuel provide in combustion? Chemical energy. Fuel stores chemical energy released during combustion. Candle wax turns to what before it burns? Liquid, then vapor. Wax melts, vaporizes, then the vapor combusts. Why does fire need constant oxygen supply? To keep the chain reaction going. Oxygen sustains the continuous chemical chain reaction. What color smoke means clean, complete burning? White or light gray? Light smoke equals more complete combustion with less carbon particles. What is the triangle missing that makes fire impossible? Any one side, heat, fuel, or oxygen. Remove just one element and the fire cannot exist.